Okay, welcome to History 6 class, students. Today we are going to start our new topic of history for 10th class, the Union Executive. The Union Executive, in this chapter we will discuss about the President of India, qualification for election, composition of electoral college, term of office, procedure for impeachment. So first one, in this topic we are going to discuss qualification for election, qualification for election. Second one, composition of electoral college, composition of electoral college. Third one, term of office. And last one, procedure for impeachment. Procedure for impeachment. So these are the 4 points which is going to explain here. First one, we are going to explain or discuss qualification for election. In the Union Executive, it consists of the President, the Vice President of India, the Council of Ministers, headed by Prime Minister of India. In India, we have the presidential president, but not the presidential form of government. The President of India is the chief executive. He or she is the nominal head of the Republic of India, and under the parliamentary system, President is the head of the state, and he or she is also the first citizen of India. So first, we are going to discuss about qualification for the election. He or she must be a citizen of India. Qualification, we are talking about the qualification for the election of President of India. He or she must be a citizen of India. He or she must have complete 35 years of age, must be qualified for election of a member of the Lok Sabha, must not hold any office of profit under the center or a state government. Okay, so these are the qualifications for election of the President of India. Second one, composition of electoral college. Composition of electoral college means it is a temporary body which elects the President of India. Which elect the President of India, and it consists of elected members of state assemblies and the parliament. Okay, and after that, term of office. So term of office of the President of India for 5 years. Okay, and after that, procedure for impeachment. Procedure for impeachment means it is a special procedure to remove the president before the expiry of his term. Okay, so that's all the day, and have a nice day. Thank you.